In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to activate Shopify checkout for your store. Before we dive into the options, make sure you're logged into your Shopify admin. From your main Shopify dashboard, look for the menu along the left-hand side. At the very bottom of that menu, you'll see a button labeled Settings. Go ahead and click on that. This is where you control all of the behind-the-scenes configuration for your store. Once the settings page opens, you'll see several different categories. Look for the one called Checkout and click on it. This is the dedicated area where you'll set up how your customers move through the checkout process and what information they need to provide. At the top, you'll find a section called Customer Contact Method. Here, you decide how customers will receive their order and shipping notifications. You can allow them to check out with a phone number or email, or restrict it to email only. Think about what works best for your audience and your support process. You can also choose whether to let customers track their orders using the Shop app, and whether you want to require customers to sign into their account before they can check out. Requiring an account can be useful for repeat buyers, but it can also add friction, so choose based on your store's needs. Next, scroll down to the Customer Information section. Here you'll decide what details are required at checkout. For example, you can choose whether certain fields like company name or apartment number are required, optional, or hidden. Try to collect only what you actually need to fulfill orders, because a shorter, simpler form usually leads to more completed checkouts. The following section is Marketing Options. In this area, you can decide if you want to show checkboxes that let customers sign up for email or SMS marketing during checkout. Make sure any option you turn on aligns with your privacy policy and local regulations about marketing consent. Below that, you'll see Tipping. This is where you can enable tipping at checkout and set the tip percentage options customers will see. This can be helpful for service-based businesses or creators who accept support through their store. Continue down to the Checkout Language section. If you want to customize wording on your checkout pages, click Edit Checkout Content. This lets you adjust labels and text so they better match your brand voice or local language. Finally, in the Advanced Preferences section, click on Address Collection to manage how you collect shipping and billing addresses. Just below that, you'll find the Add to Cart Limit option. Here you can decide whether to enable limits that help protect your available inventory quantities from being revealed, which Shopify recommends. Once you're done reviewing and adjusting all of these settings, your Shopify checkout will be